my name is Roberto. If you are looking for a water system for make a new business and to take improves or opportunity business over there in Caribe, in Martinica, in CURAZAO, Santo Domingo, Trinidad, Tobago, Jamaica, Granada, wherever you are on the Caribe, we can supply via airplanes or water system to treat your water and have use and sell purified water, alkaline water, sport water, domestic water, and purified water. We have entire systems. Please click on this video, fill the form. We are going to give you a phone call via WhatsApp as soon as possible, and you are going to take and approve our water equipment system a very normal price. Buy direct to the factory. Buy direct with us. Forget about those other resellers. Buy direct to the factory, take good price, have a good machine, make a good business with us. Ciao, ciao, it's me, Roberto. Click on this video, fill the form via WhatsApp. We're going to contact with you as soon as possible, and you are going to have a very good chance opportunity in the water suppliers market. Okay? Ciao, ciao. Bye.